Have you ever laid in bed but received no rest? Have you ever closed your eyes to seek peace in dreams but found dread instead? Have you ever gone to your blankets for warmth and shelter, but the cold chains of fear lock your thoughts to a wet wall you once called your bed that sends shivers down your spine and beads of sweat? Maybe you haven't, but fear wanders within the dark confines of my mind. I fear I'll never be good enough, never be normal, never fit in, always be different. I fear I'm a bad friend, family member, and leader. I'm afraid I'll live a life of empty dreams and unfulfilled purpose. I'm afraid I'll die and only have a negative sign on my cold tombstone between my birth and death dates that represents my negative life. I'm afraid of strangers, but I still ask, who am I? Honestly, I'm distraught by these thoughts that enslave me. In this confusion and chaos, I know I ought to be free, but there is a war raging within. There is a weight welling up on my chest, for one lung doesn't want the other to breathe. In this war between fear and peace, light and dark, one eye doesn't want the other to see. Like a slave to fear, I've been beaten for disobedience, like a slave to fear. My experience has been tedious, like a slave to fear. I've been whipped for wishing for the freedom I had previous to this, but this freedom found in God has been deemed deviant. But my God is relentless. He's the peace fighting for my heart and soul that are so restless. He's the warrior that lifts the weight off my chest when I'm breathless. He's the light that shines in my eyes that once were blind. He's the gentle whisper within the dark confines of my mind, sweetly suggesting that I will be alright. He's my peace and my shelter. He's my king and my elder. He's my hero, my love, my victor, my father. And I am no longer a slave to fear, for I am a child of God.